Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well and fit and fine. I am your friend and you are watching our YouTube channel Tech with Adnan. So in this video we will discuss the new and best thing that will be interesting for you. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest update from our YouTube channel. So we have recently uploaded some videos, okay, some videos on our YouTube channel. So now we are going to make more videos on cryptocurrency, on six best platform to giving the cheap and best hosting to users, and many more things. So keep in touch with us, and most must subscribe our YouTube channel to get latest updates from our YouTube channel. So let's start our today topic, which is what is motorcycle accident, how to mm, get higher motorcycle life, is it important for us or not. A motorcycle accident liars is a type of personal injury liar, okay, and financial recovery for their damage like medical treatment, prescription medication, and so on, loss wage, loss of earning capacity, vessels damage and pain suffering. Personal injury lawyers specialize in tort law according to Georgia code. A tort is the then merry breach of contract, express or implied, so on. So motorcycle accident fall under the scope of tort law if a personal injury lawyer specialize in helping victims and peoples to get higher the lawyer for you. But it's important that you should hire a lawyer before the accident, not after the accident or injury. It's important to hire a lawyer before accident. What a motorcycle accident lawyers does, with the goal of getting you the financial recovery you deserve. Here are some of the specific ways a motorcycle accident lawyers can help you case. Most motorcycle accident victims have never been in this type of position before. It can be hard to know where to turn first, and you will likely have a lot of questions. Your liars can be guiding light after your accident to make sure you understand your legal rights and other details of your case. In Georgia, if someone breaches their legal duty and you get injured as a result, if you have a right to seek compensation for your damages. That means you have the legal right to file providing legal etc. A motorcycle accident injury case often includes confusing legal or insurance jargon that most common factor information from you to use against you or encourage you to accept a low settlement. Your motorcycle accident lawyers can walk you through the legal process with a professional eye and make sure the insurance company doesn't take advantages of you. This is why a lawyer will advise you to not accept the first settlement after agree to give any settlement or sign anything from the insurance company. So guys, ये थी आज की वीडियो। तमाम जल्द नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम काफ़ी और चीज़ें और बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें डिस्कस करेंगे, जहां आपको और ज़्यादा इन्जॉयमेंट मिलेगा और ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी और ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिलेगी। सो मिलते हैं तमाम जल्द नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक रखें अपना ख्याल और अल्लाह हाफिज़।